quick comparison if you want to skip the whole video. I find this to be flaky. The software gives you more option compared to KASA, but again, it sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, and I don't know when the sync works and doesn't. I find this to be a better hardware, but it doesn't give you as much as software option as you get in WEMO. WEMO is a bit wider, and this one you can see is a bit thinner. Yeah, if you're still trying to decide which ones to keep the KASA. In WEMO, if you go in and you'll see there's a lots of options on how you can set up in terms of putting in a timer, self-timer, where, for example, it will just shut off after 5 minutes. And you'll see it in there as well, the scheduler, auto off timer, etc. If you go into KASA, the options are missing, which is the most annoying bit. Because here you'll only get options to, well, you can set up a scheduler, but as soon as you try and put in some smart actions, i.e. if you want to put in an auto off timer, apparently you'll have to buy a smart home router. It's really annoying.
If you like this video, give us a like, send us a comment, and please subscribe, because you know this channel is only going to get better.